Have you ever wondered if it's really possible to gain muscle mass first thing in the morning? The answer is yes, it is possible. Your first meal of the day can be your greatest ally in the quest for hypertrophy. And the best part is, it doesn't have to be complicated or restrictive. There are just 11 strategic and powerful foods that can boost your muscle gain as soon as you wake up. And I bet you didn't know about number 9. Number 1. Eggs. The first food that can help with muscle mass gain is eggs. Without a doubt, they are one of the essential pillars in the diet of anyone looking for hypertrophy and wanting to effectively increase muscle mass, especially for men over 40. With a composition rich in high-quality proteins, eggs provide the essential amino acids for protein synthesis, which is crucial for muscle growth and recovery. Imagine starting the day with a meal that not only gives your body the necessary protein but also vitamins like B12, which contributes to energy production and muscle function. Cooking 2 scrambled eggs, for example, takes just a few minutes and already provides a solid foundation for your daily workout. Now, imagine further boosting the results of your morning routine by combining these eggs with other equally powerful nutrient sources. Eggs by themselves are a valuable ally, but when thinking about complete nutrition, other protein-rich and beneficial options can also be considered. Number 2. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a smart choice for those seeking hypertrophy. This food is known for its high protein content, making it ideal for assisting with muscle repair and growth. Additionally, Greek yogurt is rich in calcium, essential for bone health, which becomes increasingly relevant as the years go by. Imagine a simple yet effective breakfast, a bowl of Greek yogurt with some fruit and a touch of honey. Besides being tasty, this combination promotes smooth digestion and provides lasting energy for your day. However, what truly sets Greek yogurt apart is the presence of casein, a slow-digesting protein that continues to nourish your muscles for hours after consumption. If you're thinking about intensifying your muscle recovery, consider adding a serving of Greek yogurt to your morning routine. Number 3. Whey protein. There is an even faster and more effective option to ensure your muscles get what they need right when you wake up: a whey protein shake. Whey protein shakes are a practical and quick solution for those who want to get an effective dose of nutrients first thing in the morning. Whey protein is quickly absorbed by the body, making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking hypertrophy. Imagine waking up and, within minutes, preparing a shake with whey, fruits, and a handful of oats. Not only is it a quick meal, but you're also giving your muscles exactly what they need to start the day at full strength. However, if you think the quick preparation is the only appeal of these shakes, you're mistaken. Customization is another great benefit. You can add ingredients like chia seeds to create a complete and balanced meal. Number 4. Oats with whey protein. The combination of oats and whey protein brings together the best of both worlds: complex carbohydrates and high-quality proteins, ideal for those focused on gaining muscle mass. By adding whey to your morning oats, you ensure a constant supply of energy and essential nutrients that help keep your muscles nourished and ready to grow throughout the day. Imagine a creamy bowl of oats mixed with vanilla whey and some banana slices. Besides being delicious, this combination provides a nutritional boost that supports your body during both your workout and recovery. Moreover, this mix is extremely versatile. You can enrich your oats with fruits, nuts, or even a spoonful of peanut butter, creating a complete meal that not only satisfies but also strengthens your muscles effectively. Number 5. Chicken. Chicken is an indispensable option in the diet of anyone determined to gain muscle mass. This lean meat is rich in high-quality proteins and contains essential amino acids like leucine, which plays a crucial role in muscle protein synthesis. Incorporating slices of chicken breast into your breakfast might seem unusual, but for those serious about hypertrophy, this is a smart strategy. Imagine preparing an omelet stuffed with chicken pieces. Not only is it tasty, but this meal will also provide your muscles with everything they need to grow and strengthen. What makes these protein sources even more valuable is their versatility in the kitchen. Chicken can be paired with a wide variety of foods, making it a solid foundation for meals that efficiently promote muscle mass gain. Number 6. Sweet potato. Sweet potato is one of the best carbohydrate options for those focused on hypertrophy and looking to consistently gain muscle. Rich in complex carbohydrates, it provides a steady release of energy, ideal for sustaining both workouts and the muscle recovery process. Including sweet potatoes in your breakfast can be a smart way to start the day with abundant energy. Imagine preparing a serving of roasted sweet potatoes, accompanied by a lean protein like chicken, for a balanced meal that nourishes your body and keeps your muscles ready to grow. In addition to providing sustained energy, sweet potatoes are rich in fiber and vitamins A and C, essential for overall health and proper immune system function. This combination of nutrients not only aids in the hypertrophy process, but also contributes to general well-being, which is especially important as we age. Number 7. Bananas. Bananas are an ideal choice for those looking for a quick and practical source of energy, especially in the context of hypertrophy and muscle mass gain. Rich in potassium and easily digestible carbohydrates, they are perfect for replenishing energy early in the morning, helping to prevent cramps and aiding in muscle recovery. Imagine starting your day with a ripe banana, combined with a serving of Greek yogurt or oats. This combination not only nourishes your muscles, but also prepares your body to tackle physical challenges with plenty of energy. Besides being practical, bananas are incredibly versatile. They can be eaten on their own, added to smoothies, or even mashed and mixed into oat pancakes, offering a variety of healthy and tasty options. Number 8. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is an excellent addition to the diet of anyone looking to gain muscle mass and maintain a strong and healthy body, especially after the age of 40. Rich in high-quality proteins and low in fat, it is a fantastic source of casein, a slow-digesting protein that keeps your muscles nourished for longer. Imagine starting the day with a serving of cottage cheese accompanied by fresh fruits. This meal is not only delicious, but also ensures a constant flow of amino acids to your muscles, helping with recovery and muscle growth. In addition to being nutritious, this cheese is extremely versatile. It can be eaten on its own, mixed with herbs for an extra flavor boost, or even used in more elaborate recipes like protein pancakes. Number 9. Walnuts and almonds. Almonds and walnuts are true treasures when it comes to gaining muscle mass and promoting overall health. Rich in healthy fats, proteins, and fiber, these nuts are perfect for complementing the breakfast of those seeking hypertrophy. In addition to providing long-lasting energy, the monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats in these foods help maintain hormonal levels, which is crucial for muscle growth and cardiovascular health. Imagine starting your day with a handful of almonds or walnuts added to your Greek yogurt or oats. This simple addition can make a big difference in your muscle-building journey. Another benefit of these nuts is their ability to keep you feeling full and control hunger, which is essential for maintaining a balanced diet throughout the day. They can be consumed as a quick snack or incorporated into a complete meal, offering a combination of nutrients that support not only muscle gain but also mental health and well-being. Number 10. Avocado. Avocado is a superfood that deserves a prominent place in the breakfast of those seeking hypertrophy and muscle mass gain. Rich in monounsaturated fats, avocado not only provides long-lasting energy but also helps with the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, essential for overall health and muscle growth. Another positive aspect of avocado is its high potassium content, which helps regulate blood pressure and prevent cramps, making it an important ally for those who train regularly. In addition to being extremely versatile, avocado can be incorporated into smoothies, salads, or even eaten on its own, offering countless ways to enjoy its benefits. Number 11. Chia seeds. Chia seeds may be small, but they are powerful when it comes to supporting muscle mass gain. They are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, proteins, and fiber, making them an ideal addition to the breakfast of those seeking hypertrophy. Adding a spoonful of chia seeds to your Greek yogurt, oats, or whey shake not only enhances the texture and flavor, but also provides nutrients that aid in muscle recovery and cardiovascular health. Imagine how simple it is to turn an ordinary meal into something extraordinary just by adding these versatile seeds. In addition to omega-3, chia seeds are rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress caused by intense workouts, promoting faster and more efficient recovery. And because they are highly absorbent, they can be used to create chia puddings, offering a delicious and nutritious way to start your day. With so many benefits, there's no doubt that chia seeds are a valuable addition to any diet plan focused on muscle gain. So now that you've learned about these foods that can transform your breakfast and boost your muscle mass gain, what are you waiting for to get started?